The inspiration for today's recipe was a pesto and gouda grilled cheese sandwich I had at Cyclavia, an LA street fair. It was so hearty and delicious, I decided I had to make my own version. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the most delicious vegan grilled cheese sandwich that'll satisfy even the pickiest eater. Welcome to Kat's Vegan Kitchen. If you're looking for the full recipe, check the description. And remember, if you love this recipe as much as I do, hit that thumbs up button so you never miss a recipe. Let's get started. The thing that makes this sandwich so delicious and exciting is the pesto. We're going to whip up a batch of vegan pesto. Add 3 cups of well-rinsed, loosely packed basil to your food processor. 3/4 cups chopped parsley, 3 cloves of garlic, a 1/2 cup of pine nuts, and if you don't have pine nuts, you can always use walnuts. A 1/2 cup of vegan Parmesan cheese. There's a homemade vegan Parmesan cheese on my YouTube channel. I'll link it here. And there's also one on my website. But for this recipe, I'm using a commercial vegan Parmesan from Trader Joe's. Because it's a grilled cheese sandwich, this will melt up and make it extra tasty and delicious. We're gonna add in 6 tablespoons of olive oil. And here's one of my secret ingredients for a really delicious pesto, a tablespoon or 2 of a plant-based butter. The last ingredient is about a teaspoon of salt. Now we just pulse our pesto till it makes the delicious paste. Depending on how many grilled cheese sandwiches you're making, you're probably gonna have leftover pesto. This makes a great sauce for a meatless pasta dish. For this vegan grilled cheese sandwich, we're gonna use Follow Your Heart Gouda cheese. This is the best vegan Gouda cheese on the market. There are others if you can't find this one, but this one tastes the best. We're gonna take a large piece of delicious sourdough bread and cut it in half. You wanna put a healthy smear of your delicious pesto on one side of the bread. You don't feel like making your own pesto? There are some good vegan pestos that you can buy. Trader Joe's makes a really nice vegan kale pesto. This step is optional. You can put thinly sliced tomatoes on top of that pesto. Add 1 to 2 pieces of your delicious Gouda cheese. Now, because it's a grilled cheese, we definitely want to butter both sides of the bread. I'm using Earth Balance vegan butter. For this recipe, we want to use a non-stick pan that has a lid. I'm gonna start by putting just a little bit of plant-based butter in the bottom. You want this heat on medium or medium-low. We're gonna delicately place our beautiful grilled cheese sandwich in the pan. We're going to cover it because that is going to help our vegan cheese melt. The key is to keep an eye on your grilled cheese and make sure that it's beautifully toasted, but not too toasted. Flip it, give it a nice pat down with your spatula, and cover it again. Now that side took about 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes and you can see my grilled cheese is getting nice and melty and both sides are beautifully toasted. Check out this crispy, delicious, gooey goodness. This street fair inspired grilled cheese will be loved by kids, adults, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time on Kat's Vegan Kitchen.